what is the best way to transplant and grow a pawpaw tree? And this is from Larry from Ambler, Pennsylvania.
Ooh, wow.
How about that? Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
All right, Doc, you have a little experience with this, don't you? Why don't you tell us about it?
I have pawpaws all over part of our land, and I've always wanted a pawpaw in my yard, and I can't tell you how many times I have tried to transplant them from the wild. And if you know about the way that pawpaws grow, they colonize. They send out, you know, the runners, and then one will pop up here, and they're in their native habitat. That's the way they do.
Right.
So everything is coming from the mothership. So if you cut that, it's really hard to get one to grow. And the other thing is there's so many cultivars for pawpaw out there that have bigger, better, you know, fruit. You know, they've bred them to do this or that. So my suggestion would be to go to a reputable nursery, and you can order them online as well from other nurseries. You're going to get something a little smaller for the price, but still, I would not try to transplant it because from my own experience, it's not easy.
Not easy.
Not easy.
That's from experience.
Yeah, there's a lot of good varieties out there.
Yeah.
I mean, some of the fruit can be up to 9 pounds. They've gotten
oh
some
my
varieties.
Gosh, really?
Yes.
Which one is that?
Kentucky.
I want to get that one.
It's a Kentucky. In Kentucky, the research they're doing there is
9 pounds?
9 pound pawpaw.
Wow.
So I was amazed when I found that out.
That's crazy.
So there's so many good varieties out there. Yeah, go buy one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pawpaw smells so good.
I know, you know, and I tell you one other thing about growing pawpaws he might need to keep in mind is critters love them. Squirrels. I have to fight the squirrels every year to get, I have eaten one pawpaw off my tree. One. Squirrels love them.
Squirrels love them.
Yeah, they do. Probably possums, you know.
Yeah.
Pawpaw tree.
Yeah, the balance of nature again. I'll have to balance it with my scatter gun every now and then. No, I won't say that.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.